Hey, Sneakerheads, we're back with another video. In this video, we got another box. And bam, got these from the Nike Sneakers app. Go ahead and open these bad boys up. You might have already have an idea of what these are. I already posted this on my community page. First time seeing these in hand. Bam, you see the box. It says my size 10. As you can see the label right there. The label reads Air Jordan 5. Retro OG, black, white, metallic silver. Kind of gave it away with that. This will be the first time I'm seeing these in hand. I did check around the mall and stuff, and these did sell out locally here in North Carolina. I'm looking at the lid of the box. We do have a little stamp right there. Open up the shoes. We do have that standard tissue paper. There is a strong little smell coming out. Bam, we got the shoe. Does come with this nice little hang tag right there. I do like the way that they decided to put this little extra cardboard in the box to like keep the shoes from denting each other, or like with these black shoes, sometimes we do see scuff marks on the toe box. I'm glad that Jordan brand is listening to us and putting that cardboard to protect the shoe right here. This is a nice soft nubuck. Sure, you've already seen these before. We're gonna go ahead and do this review on our channel though. Again, it comes with that nice milky Nike air tag right there. Looking at the bottom, we do see that clear outsole, that Jumpman in black Nike on the middle of the pod. I do think this is a nice clean shoe in my opinion. Looking down at the toe box, I do see the number one reason for the shoe, that 3M on the tongue. I do like that red Nike. I do like that Nike Jumpman in red. Does make the shoe pop. Move around to the side. We do see that nice net in clear. You see that nice clear netting, and this is overall decent suede. I'm not saying that has that booty backstroke, but it is pretty decent in my opinion. We do see the white lining that pops out on the edges of the shoe. As you can see right there, that's a good hit of it right there. Move around to the outside of the shoe. We do see the infamous shark tooth on the side that makes the shoe right here famous right here. This does, Tinker Hatfield did create these after the P-51 airplane in World War II. We do see on the back, we do see that nice air unit in the back. Move around to the back, we do see that Nike Air on the back, which is a very nice touch in these shoes. The only thing that's missing probably is the 23, and I'm not really sure why they put the 23 on the back of the heel or not. Let me know down in the comments if you do know why some of the shoes do have that 23 on the. These possibly could have a 23 on the back because this is the reimagined pair, and it does come with white laces in there, as you can see. It does come with a nice red lace lock, as well as the clear on the outer parts. Check that out. Overall, this is just a clean OG colorway. We'll go ahead and take out the other shoe to see if we see anything on the other shoe. One thing that I was surprised about, you may or may not know, these do come with the extra set of laces. So I know some OG people, they were complaining, like my brother, about not having the white shoes in there. But just to let you know, Jordan Brand did go ahead and throw in the black laces as well. So if you want to make these more to the OG, you can go ahead and put those black laces in there. As for me, I think I do like it. I do prefer the shoe better with the white laces because it just makes that shoe pop so much more. And then if you don't know or know, one of the biggest differences between this shoe and the OGs is they did have that white around the edge that makes the shoe pop. Again, this is the Air Jordan 5 reimage, so it did change it up a little bit. And I do notice one thing, again, I'm not sure if this is new or not. They did put a little extra cardboard right here behind this, which I think is something new. And I don't think I've seen that before on some of my other Jordan 5s, but they did put a piece of cardboard behind here. So I don't know if these 3M on the shoe is a little bit more delicate than the other ones have been in the past. But let me know down in the comments, sneakerheads. But again, this shoe was limited to only 55 pairs, 55,000 pairs of shoes, and it's supposed to be extremely limited. So I commend you if you was able to hit on the raffles. I know as for me, I put in about 8 raffles myself and only hit on 1 pair of shoes. So this was, I would say, medium to difficult comp. On the back of the shoe, we do see that Nike Air on the back, that standard patch that we see on the Jordan 5s. Looking at the inside of the shoe, we do see that Nike in red on the insole with Nike Air in white lettering. Do think that's a nice touch. Overall, I do think this is a nice shoe for the winter, and I can't wait to rock these on feet. But let me know down in the comments wherever you would hit on your pair. Again, I know you've probably already seen these. Unfortunately, our channel, we're a small channel, so we don't normally get early pairs, but we do get shoes to review. So we appreciate you for taking the time to looking at this review of the shoe, the Jordan 5 Metallics. Again, make sure you like, comment, and share this video with others so you won't miss out on other unboxings like this. And this is it for this video. On the next time, we'll see you, sneakerheads.
Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
Like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.